My name's Christopher, and you're watching Gold Shiners. Well, I just made it down here, and I figured I better turn on my phone because I might not ever come here again. This place looks crazy. It totally looks like it just wants to fall. Oh my gosh. And it does. Look at the piles. Evidence that it's been falling.
Sitting in the bayou country, just me and my fishing line. Raise a lot of hell and a holler, sipping on that Georgia moonshine. Well, I know how to have a damn good time. And I take my shot straight out of a jug, and I like to get pure drunk in that Mississippi mud. Well, let's throw us a little party, baby. I'll call a few friends of mine. We'll dance all night till the sun comes up, and drink ourselves completely blind. Then we'll rock on down.
That is absolutely incredible.
And I take my shot straight out of a
So this is what it looks like under the lava cap, basically. A huge cap that's double mountain. Okay, now that is what I'm expecting they're mining right there. Ancient river channel. That's exactly what that is. Oh my goodness, all this is. Looks like someone dug that out pretty far. Unless I'm getting some sort of signal in there. There's an egg in there. Wow. So there's a hole down here I saw with my drone, and I think that's it right there. It's like a square hole back there, and it just looks like it goes straight down. I don't know. It's not worth it to me to walk in there, really. I don't know, is it? Not a flashlight, but this all looks like real sediment area on the bottom, like there's no more gravels, which is kind of weird. So I was looking around in this ancient riverbed here, and I'm finding these crystals that are seeming to, like, they're growing, there we go, in between the cracks. They're just growing right there on the rocks. If anybody knows what that is, I'm pretty curious. It just messes with your eyes in here for sure. Can't quite comprehend how big this is. Let's get back up there. And it's trying to rain on me. The wind's pushing it over here. Oh, but that's not rain, is it? That's the stairway out of here.
Settle down and be doing just fine till I hear no freight rolling down the line. Then I hurry straight home and pack. And if I did,
Well, I made it out of there. Back on top. That's ready to go. Right there, you can see a crack. That's where it was. So incredible. Put the phone in my pocket and watch for rattlesnakes. That was definitely a good hike. Hopefully I burned off most of the pizza I ate. I gotta lose weight. Sheesh.